Hi and welcome back to a new art journaling video. It's a pretty simple one. I played with Brushos and with a little bit of texture paste in my mini envelope art journal. I have a link in my info box in the top right corner where you can watch the video on how I've created this journal. On my pages I have already the texture paste and it's already dry. I applied it with a stencil from Stamplorations. Now I'm adding my powders in. I'm using Brushos and also the Nuvo Shimmer powders. These are almost the same. I'm very sorry for the autofocus. I will turn this off in a few minutes. I'm sprinkling the powders all over the page. You don't need much, just a little bit. And I also be a little bit careful that I don't mix red and greens on the page directly. So this would create mud. I want to have some autumn colors today, but not only brown. Now I'm going in with my spray bottle and water and just wet my pages. The brushes and the shimmer powders will react with the water, and you will get a gorgeous background. I'm using a brush to spread the colors around a little, and I also can soak up some puddles. When I have the feeling I need more color in some corners, I just add more of the powders and go in with the water again. I pulled out two of the Arteza metallic acrylics. I really enjoy playing with them, especially when I want to add some shimmery accents. You can also use the metallic gouache paints or any other metallic watercolor. I'm adding the splatters to create more vibrancy. When the splatters are dry, I'm going in with some stamping. I use Archival ink together with the Rubber Dance Carved Whimsy Wood stamp set. And I'm stamping some of the leaves around the page to get kind of an autumn forest feel. I also add some black splatters with some black acrylic ink spray. It's the same here. You can use thinned down acrylic paint or a thinned down black gesso. The black adds a little bit more contrast, which makes the page even more interesting. And as my main image that I will adhere, the carved owl is also stamped in black. I think it makes the page look more cohesive with the black splatters. Before I glue everything down, I prepare my sentiment. I've stamped words with the journal word stamp set and also our mixer sentiment stamp sets, and I believe it's stamped to any kind of pattern paper, just with a light texture. And to make it match the page even more, I'm using a little bit of Brushos powder and paint the words. I use liquid glue to adhere everything to the page. This is my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!